So what do you think? Should we hear from Mrs. Litz?
All right, thank you so much for this beautiful assembly, as I was told. I am speechless. I chose to be an educator very early on. Since 3rd grade, I knew I was going to be an educator. And I had an amazing teacher who just made me love coming to school. And I knew I wanted to do that as a teacher as well. I wanted my students to come into school and be excited to not only learn, but become part of the family. And every year I tell my students, I see you more than my own family, and you are my family. And I want everyone to feel when they come to school that they are a part of that family. And this recognition is so appreciated because I do agree, sometimes you feel like it's a hard job, but it's worth it. And I don't need someone to tell me I'm doing a great job, but it does feel really appreciated to hear it from all of you and from my students. So I am just honored to be part of this, and I can't wait for what's ahead. So thank you.
So today, good job. Today we're honoring Mrs. Litz, but in doing so, we aim to shine the spotlight on everyone here, all the students, all the staff. Students, I want to thank you for helping us thank a teacher today in grand fashion. And I have a favor to ask. Keep it going. After the assembly, continue to think about all the teachers that have helped you. Find them, email them, call them, text them to say thank you to them. Thank you to you. Congratulations, everyone.
Yeah, let's give it one more time. Let's hear it. Mrs. Litz. Mrs. Litz.